What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So Samsung's first Unpacked event for 2023 is coming very soon. And despite the numerous leaks that have been taken most of the curiosity away from us, it's still one of the most important events coming this year. So let's take a look and summarize all of the latest leaks to get better idea of what we expect from this event. Please watch the full video content. We will see the most futuristic Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra along with the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus flagships and likely some new top rated laptops. It's very unlikely we will see new tablets and extremely unlikely for any smartwatch and headphone announcements. The new flagship Galaxy S23 Ultra will carry on the design of its predecessor but come with new color options like the cotton flower and botanic green. The new Galaxy S23 Ultra will still have a built-in S Pen stylus, a 6.8 inches AMOLED display, a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery, 45 watts wired charging, and 4 camera module setup on the back panel. The smartphone coming with a higher overclocked variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, called the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. It should both ensure the best possible performance and manage to squeeze more long-lasting backup with a 5000 mAh battery. Another big upgrade will be the main camera, a newly announced 200 megapixel ISO HP2 image sensor. It will provide different output resolutions depending on your needs. 16:1 for 2.4 micron pixels at 12.5 megapixel or 4:1 for 1.2 micron pixels at 50 megapixels. It will also enable 8K video recording. The new sensor will allow for improved night mode images and better portrait video among other things. The other two cameras on the back will retain the 3x and 10x specifications. The ultra-wide camera will still be an auto-focusing 12 megapixel but will get a new image behind the lens. The new Galaxy S23 Ultra will be capable of Space Zoom 100x and Moonshot 2. The smartphone will receive a 40 megapixel selfie camera like the Galaxy S22 Ultra model. It is also rumored that Samsung will bring emergency satellite connectivity to the Galaxy S23 line. Samsung expected to start taking pre-orders for Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra from February 1st. If you live in the United States, the price will not be changed. The new Galaxy S23 Ultra will price at around $1,200 US, the Galaxy S23 Plus at $1,000 US, and the Galaxy S23 at $800 US respectively. The European prices of the Galaxy S23 line will be as follows. Galaxy S23 will start at €100 more than its predecessor, while the Galaxy S23 Plus will be €150 more. The base flagship Galaxy S23 Ultra will be €150 more expensive. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.